Hello coin engineers and welcome to the third video of our Road to Starknet Airdrop playlist. In this video, we will teach you what is Starknet ID and how to claim yours to get an airdrop if they do. Before we start to our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell in order to get every video which contains a huge airdrop chance and every tutorial that we share about cryptocurrencies right on time. If you're ready, let's start. Starknet ID is a .stark domain service that provides you a special identity on Starknet chain, makes your job and the people that will send you funds on Starknet's job easier. And not also that both on block explorers and NFT marketplaces, your wallet address will not be some complicated numbers and letters, but it will be your own identity. Now let's connect to Starknet ID and show you how you can claim yourself. Click on the link in the descriptions or just write to your browser app.starknet.id, then you will reach the landing page of Starknet ID. Then click on the connect button, which is top right corner of your screen. To connect your wallet, you need an Argent X wallet. If you don't have that, click on the link in the descriptions to our Argent X wallet tutorial. In the first video of our playlist, we showed you how to create an Argent X wallet to make transactions on Starknet. So this is a must, guys. Create your Argent X wallet and fund it with some Ethereum through the Starknet bridge, and we showed you how to do it at the second video of our playlist. So you know what I'm gonna say. Don't forget to watch the second video of this playlist too. I'll just continue to this video. I will accept that you already know those things because you already watched those videos, so I will click on the connect button, and as you can see, guys, my wallet is connected to Starknet ID. To get a username, write the search bar any username that you want. For example, I want coin engineer. Let's check if coinengineer.stark is available or not. As you guys can see, it's available. If I want to register this name, I can make it easily through the button that says register from layer 2, and before that, choose the years that you want to take this name for. And also don't forget, more years means more price. As you guys can see, if I make it 4 years, the price drops. If you just want to register this name for a year, the price is 0.009 Ethereum. And then you can click on the register from layer 2 button, then confirm the transaction through the orange button. Right now I don't have enough Ethereum in my wallet, so I'll not be able to claim it. And also there's one more thing. After registering an identity for yourself, after registering a domain for yourself in Starknet, you can see your domain in the identities section in the Starknet ID website. As you guys can see, I have one identity. I have a domain in Starknet. After clicking on it, I can see the details of my domain. When another people writes my domain when sending a fund in Starknet, the fund will be coming to my wallet. If I want that fund to go to another wallet, I can click on change the target and write here a new target address. And then when people send money to my domain, the money will be going to the new target address while the domain still belongs to the first wallet address. If I want to send this domain to another wallet address, I can click on the move your identity and set a new target address. If you registered your name for a year and you want to keep the name, you can click on the renew your identity. You can see the expiration date of my identity. There are still much more time. If I want more years with my current domain, I can renew my domain through here. I can set the years that how much I want to keep the name, and by clicking on the renew domain button, the transaction will be completed. And also for the last thing, I can create a subdomain through here. And let's make an example, coin engineer subdomain. When I click on the create a subdomain button, I will be able to take coinengineer.blah.blah.stark domain. And to show you that, I will confirm this transaction and get the subdomain for myself. And as you guys can see, I finished creating my subdomain and I can see it in my identities. If I click on this one, I can easily make it my main domain You don't pay anything to renew this domain since it's a subdomain of your main identity. If you want to set this as a main domain, just click on this button and approve the transaction to make this your main domain. After that transaction, your name in the block explorer will show as your subdomain. And that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and informed in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the thumbs up button. If Starknet makes an airdrop or Starknet ID itself makes an airdrop, for sure you will get this after those transactions since you are a user of Starknet ID and Starknet itself. Take care. See you in the next video.